Today I will give the trick about the difference between the haloalkanes and the haloarenes. So today's our lecture is based on the difference between the haloalkanes and the haloarenes. How do we find out the difference between the haloalkanes and the haloarenes with the help of this trick? कई बार क्या होता है कि आपके पास टाइम नहीं होता है, तो उस वजह से उसी के ऊपर हमें ये आज लेक्चर डिलीवर करना है कि कैसे आपको सेकंड्स में जो है आप हेलो एल्कीन्स और हेलो अरीन्स में जो वो डिफरेंस देख सकते हैं. सो लेट स्टार्ट विद आवर lecture related with the difference between the haloalkanes and the haloarenes. So, haloalkanes and difference between haloalkanes and haloarenes. So let us start the difference between the haloalkanes and the haloarenes with the help of this trick. So one side we write the haloalkanes. This is haloalkanes and haloarenes. So let us start with our difference with the help of this trick. So first difference, that is, अगर हम कोई example लेते हैं, take one common example between the haloalkanes and the haloarenes, and with the help of this example you easily justify the difference between the haloalkanes and the haloarenes. So our first example is CH3Br, methyl bromide. So this is the example of haloalkanes, and we know that haloarenes, they are present in the form of the ring. So bromobenzene. So this is the example of the haloarenes. So first difference between the haloalkanes and the haloarenes is, the example of the haloalkanes is methyl bromide CH3Br, and the example of the haloarenes is bromobenzene. Benzene के ऊपर क्या है आपका Br, bromobenzene. Our next difference is, second difference is, haloalkanes are aliphatic. Haloalkanes are aliphatic. And haloarenes are aromatic. Haloalkanes are aliphatic and haloarenes are aromatic. This is the second difference. Now we shift to the third difference of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now we shift to the third difference between the haloalkanes and the haloarenes. These are participating in SN1 reaction, and these are participating in SN2 reactions. Participate in SN2 reaction. Automatically second जो होगा, do not participate in SN2 reaction. So this is the third difference between the haloalkanes and the haloarenes. Participate in SN2 reactions, whereas haloarenes, these are not participating in SN2 reactions. Now we shift to the fourth difference between the haloalkanes and the haloarenes. Now this is our last difference. Have, ये जो आपके haloalkanes है, have no smell. Have no smell. इनकी कोई स्मेल नहीं है. Have no smell. That means these are odorless. Odorless. Whereas our haloarenes have a sweet smell. So with the help of this trick, you easily justify the difference between the haloalkanes and haloarenes within seconds. So haloalkanes, the common example of the haloalkanes, that is methyl bromide, and the example of the haloarenes, that is bromobenzene. Haloalkanes, these are aliphatic compounds, whereas haloarenes, these are aromatic compounds. Haloalkanes, these are participating in SN2 reactions, whereas haloarenes, they do not participating in the SN2 reactions. And the last difference between the haloalkanes and the haloarenes is that haloalkanes, they have no smell. They are without smell. That means they are odorless. And whereas आपके haloarenes जो हैं, they have a sweet smell. So this is the difference between the haloalkanes and the haloarenes. And with the help of this trick, you easily justify the difference between the haloalkanes and the haloarenes within seconds. So this is the trick about the haloalkanes and the haloarenes.